how to fix Instagram missing problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram missing sticker problem. So guys, you will be finding difficult to find your sticker on Instagram story, to upload your story. So what you have to do is, I have good and the latest tricks that you don't know, or you might know. So I will show you the latest tricks to fix the problem for missing sticker problem on Instagram. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. So if the problem work for you, then you can do that. Now go to Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. Go to Instagram and then you can see here, first of all, make sure that your Instagram is updated. So you have to update your Instagram and then just click here and scroll down here. So guys, you can see here you are a beta tester. So I have already joined the beta tester. So what you have to do to join, so I will show you. I will leave this ones. You can see here rejoin. So if you didn't join ever, so then you will find an option as join. So you have to join here and then you have to switch off your phone and switch on, and then you have to switch off your phone and you have to switch on your phone, and then after that what you have to do is you have to uninstall the Instagram application and then you have to reinstall it. And after that what you have to do is log in it and see whether you can see your I will just click one picture and go to sticker. You will find every sticker here. So if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is go to Google Play Store and then just go to Google Play Store and then search for Secure VPN. Here you can see, just click here, you can see the logo icon. You have to click this and you have to download this, and then you have to open this application on your Android device. Now what you have to do is, just wait for a second. What you have to do is just connect this to your device. It is been connected, you can see here. Now go to Instagram and check your sticker. It will be on your phone. This is 100% sure, and then it will be fixed, and I am sure that the problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.